This is an ancho chili. Bust it up into a thing. These are black peppers. This is a coffee bean. Oh, you want like a bunch. A couple more probably. We'll do it. There. That's some salt. Grind them up. This is the top, so I can shake it. That's some beef. Shake it. This really smells incredible. Rack it up. Stick it with one of those. Cook it real low. We gotta do that reverse sear. Gotta get the core temp to 120 for rare. That's a squirrel eating a mushroom. Pretty good. It's getting it. Get that mushroom. Uh-oh, we're spotted. He's going for it. Okay. That's some handsome rosemary. This is some white wine. Gotta cut those potatoes. Little potato. Just cut it 3 times. Drizzle a little olive oil. Got the salt, pepper. A little paprika. Got zest of lemon at it. Remember that rosemary? Cut it. A little sprinkle. Yeah. Awesome. Also garlic. Probably gonna mush that up. This is asparagus. Gotta snap off the end with your hand. Drizzle a little olive oil. Got salt and pepper that guy. Also a little lemon zest. Now it's ready. Oh yeah. This is very exciting. I'm gonna take this guy out. And it's gonna hang. Gotta put in this guy. Turn it up. Had to come outside for a closer look. Oh, it's too blurry. Gotta grease this guy up. Get that oil on. I was getting very hot. We'll put it down. Do this side. Now we're going to do just a very short amount of time on each side. Going to need to flip this over. This thing looks good. It's done. Put it on. Make room for asparagus. This is asparagus. Alright, these potatoes are basically over. Hot potato. This is red wine. Gotta take that off now. Now is the plating. asparagus. These are potatoes. Gotta cut this guy. Look at there. That looks great. This is Laura cutting into food. It's too big.
Too big, you're gonna eat it anyway. Ready? Look at that. Oh my god.
What do you think?
Scrumptious.
Scrumptious.